Hi there, it's Kobus again, and we're looking at Artemis under the hood. So, in this short episode, I just want to look at evaluations and how to create scenarios. So, I think the traditional way of testing applications and conversational user interfaces is going through the transcripts. So, you've got all the conversation transcripts, and you need to set a step through that and find ways to optimize your application. The beauty of Artemis is it's got a whole evaluation suite, which I'm currently showing you on the screen. So you can use AI to help you. So the AI assistant within Artemis we called Arch. So Arch is your trusted AI architect or trusted advisor within Artemis. But the whole idea behind evals is to not defer, if I can put it like that, the testing to your user, but is to actually run scenarios and evaluations within your application and find vulnerabilities. So you can set the basics of your eval suite. So you can set the name, what the suites should cover, and I really want to get to scenarios, right? So you can see, you can set up personas, you can set up evaluation weights and parsing. But let's quickly set up scenarios. So scenarios are situations the agent must handle, right? So each scenario has got its own starting context, and you can create up to 3 scenarios per testing suite. So if I click on add scenario, you can see I've got a search button here, but there's already a scenario library that's available, right? So, the first one, formal account review, then dispute, filling, redirect. And it gives me a whole breakdown of what the scenario looks like. Or, here's a, impersonator demanding an instant loan, a rambling beginner. So think of this as a situation where someone with little knowledge, engages the agentic application and they're just rambling on. And these different scenarios are linked to different agents within my agentic application. Um, so you can see there's a whole host of agents that's currently available. And what I can do is also I can create a new scenario. So if I go to new scenario, I can define a name, give it a description. Then there's a category, right? So it's a general, and these categories all link to my agents that's available. What's the difficulty level of the scenario? Easy, medium, or hard? You might want to mix it up. Then I can have an entry agent, where the conversation should enter. I can have the maximum amount of turns in this conversation. So should it be a longer conversation or a shorter conversation? There has been quite a bit of research that agents lose conversational context with many turns. So you might want to run some scenarios. You put quite a number of turns in your application. Then you can select if this will be text, or if the conversation will be voice, the initial message. You can add agent path, expected milestones, and what's the expected outcome. This is just a scenario. You can also create personas with this. So if I go to add persona, you will see that I can also create a new persona. And these are a casual user, a formal user, a more technical user. And I think this brief overview gives you quite a bit of insight into how scenarios can be created within Artemis and how these scenarios can be run and how you can find vulnerabilities and vulnerability scores and performance scores within your application. Thank you so much.